Hi everyone, my name is Devashish Padi. Today we'll discuss computer organization and the topic is logic gates. So logic gates are the basic building blocks of any digital system. It is an electronic circuit having one or more than one input and only one output. The relationship between the input and output is based on a certain logic. Based on this, the different types of logic gates are AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate, etc. Okay, so today we'll discuss the different types of gates and their circuit diagram and the truth tables of different logic gates. So first we will start the first logic gate, that is nothing but my AND gate. What is generally AND gate? Now in case of AND gate, if the two input is high, then only the output is high. That means if let us consider the inputs are A and B. If both A and B are high, then the output Y is high. That means if A is 1, B is 1, then only the output is 1. That means if both the inputs are 1, then the output is 1. Otherwise, the output is 0. So this is the circuit diagram of your AND gate. These A and B are the two inputs and Y is the output. This is the symbol of your AND gate. This is the truth table of your AND gate. The two inputs are A and B and the output is AB. Okay, the AND symbol is otherwise denoted as the multiplication symbol. Okay, A and B. If both the inputs are 0, the output is 0. If A is 0, B is 1, the output is 0. If A is 1, B is 0, the output is 0. If both A and B are 1, the output is 1. That means in case of AND gate, if both the input is 1, the output is 1. Otherwise, in all the cases, the output is 0. In other ways, you can say that the AND truth table is nothing but the multiplication. See, 0 multiplied by 0, the output is 0. 0 multiplied by 1, the output is 0. 1 multiplied by 0, the output is 0. 1 multiplied by 1, the output is 1. Okay, so this is the truth table of my AND gate. And this is the graphical symbol of your OR gate. This is the graphical symbol of your OR gate. In case of OR gate, if any input is high, the output is high. That means let us consider the two inputs are A and B. If any of the input A and B are 1, the output is 1. Okay, or it is denoted as the addition symbol. So let us start the truth table of your OR gate. Okay, this is the symbol A plus B. Okay, so if any of the input is 1, here B is 1, so output is 1. Here A is 1, the output is 1. Here both the AND B is 1, the output is 1. So in case of OR gate, if any input is 1, the output is 1. Or you can say that it is the addition. 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 0, 1, 1 plus 1, that is 10. So 0 is deleted and 1 is the output. Okay, so this is the truth table of your OR gate. If any input is 1, output is 1. The third gate is your NOT gate. In case of NOT gate, see, it is only one input is given and the output is always the opposite of the input. If input is 1, output is 0. If input is 0, output is 1. And the symbol is the triangle symbol followed by a circle symbol. This circle symbol inverts the input. That means inverts means just opposite, 1 to 0, 0 to 1. And this is the truth table. If A is 0, the output is 1. If input is 1, output is 0. That means just the opposite. If input is high, output becomes low. If input is low, output becomes high. Next gate is NAND gate. See, this NAND gate is the combination of two gates, that is not AND. See the graphical symbol. This is the AND gate, this is the graphical symbol of AND gate, and this is the graphical symbol of NOT gate. If I combine these two gates, this is the graphical symbol of NAND gate. So NAND gate is nothing but NOT plus AND. And it shows just the opposite of AND gate. That means, see, in case of AND gate, if the both input is 1, the output is 1. But here see, if both the input is 1, the output is not 1, it is 0. In case of AND gate, if both the input is 1, the output is 1. But NAND gate means AND plus NOT. Okay, so AND plus NOT means just the opposite of AND gate. If in case of AND, if both the input is 1, output is 1. But here just the opposite. If both the input is 1, the output is 0. Okay, so A is 0, B is 0, output is 1. A is 0, B is 1, output is 1. A is 1, B is 0, output is 1. A is 1, B is 1, output is 0. Just the opposite of AND gate. Next gate is NOR gate. NOR gate is also the opposite of OR gate, and it is combination of two gate, that is OR with NOT, that is your NOR. So in case of OR truth table, if any input is 1, the output is 1. But here, if any input is 1, the output is 0. Okay, if both are 0, the output is 1. If one input is 0, other is 1, the output is 0. If one is 1, other is 0, the output is 0. If both the input is 1, the output is 0. Just the opposite of your OR gate. And third gate is known as XOR gate. XOR gate is similar to the OR gate. The graphical symbol is similar to the OR gate, except one additional line in the input side. See, this is the additional line in the input side. Okay, and what the truth table of XOR gate says, if both the input is same, the output is 0. That means if both the input is 1, output is 0. If both the input is 0, output is 0. If both the inputs are same, here both the inputs are same, 0 and 0, so output is 0. Here also both the input is 1, both the inputs are same, so output is 0. Okay, so 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 0. Okay, so this is all about your logic gates: or, and, not, nor, and XOR gate. Okay, thank you.